Hey guys, it's me FighterX. Welcome to my new video. In this video I will tell you how to fix a network error has occurred error on Discord. So how does the error work? You might be asking. So this problem arises only for Android Discord users. The problem might be caused by corrupt files or update errors. The problem has not been discussed by Discord yet, and it has nothing to do with your Wi-Fi. So don't smash your router like this guy. So now let's talk about how we can fix this problem. So I looked up about this problem a lot, and I came with some fixes. The first thing you have to do is check for updates. The problem might come because of update errors. So if you have any pending updates, make sure to update it ASAP. So once you finish updating, you have to clear your app data and cached files. Once you did it, give it the required permissions, and log into your Discord account. The problem might be fixed 70% of the times. If it doesn't get fixed, you can subscribe, and I will update you on future fixes. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.